Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you on how to use Snapchat. So this tutorial is just going to be showing you how to use Snapchat, and I will show it to you as simple and as easy way as possible. So make sure to like this channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. Now let's head on and start the tutorial. So this is how you use your Snapchat, but make sure that your Snapchat is up to date and go to your Play Store. Just click update if there's an update there. And once updated, just click open. So this is your Snapchat. You have created your account. Make sure that you have a Snapchat account first. And in here, these are the different filters, the different snap filters of Snapchat. So you can choose any of this. This is the most famous dog filter. Now it has many options. So in this section, this is the filter section. And when you go here to your profile picture, this is your settings. You can have your Snapchat settings, your find friends, and you can add your story here. You can also go to your add friends. You can add as many friends as you want, but make sure that you know them or that they're famous or whatsoever. And then if you added them, you can see them here on your My Friends section. You can also add your Snapchat spotlight, your favorite snaps. You can add your public profile, and you have your snap tokens. So just explore here, guys. And in here, you can see different snap stories of people you follow or famous people. And here is the spotlight section. It's just like Reels, but in Snapchat. And here is the map, guys, where you can see people who are using Snapchat near you. And that's it. Basically, go to your camera, use a filter, and take a snap and upload it to Snapchat or send it to your friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.